KashKick is a rewards platform that pays users for completing online activities like surveys and offers, but whether it is worth using depends on how much time you spend, compared with the rewards you receive. By the end, you'll know how KashKick works, what types of tasks it offers, and how to decide if it is a legitimate option for earning small rewards online. KashKick is a website that connects users with paid activities, mainly focused on surveys and other online tasks. Users create an account, choose available tasks, complete them, and receive rewards based on the activities they finish. The main reason people try KashKick is that it offers a simple way to earn from spare time. You do not need special skills or equipment, and the tasks can usually be completed from a computer or mobile device. The important thing to understand is that rewards platforms are usually designed for extra money, not a replacement for a regular income. The amount you earn depends on the number of tasks available, your eligibility for those tasks, and how consistently you use the platform. Surveys are one of the main activities on KashKick. Before completing a survey, you may need to answer qualification questions because companies are looking for specific types of responses. That means your experience can vary. Some users may find several available tasks, while others may have fewer options depending on their profile and location. Before spending a lot of time on KashKick, check 3 things. First, test the platform with a small amount of time. Complete a few tasks and see whether the process feels worth your effort. Second, pay attention to the time required for each activity. A task that takes longer should provide enough value to match the effort. Third, avoid changing your normal routine just to complete offers. The best use of rewards apps is usually completing tasks during free time, rather than treating them like a full-time job. KashKick can be a legitimate option for people who want to earn small rewards from online activities. It may not be the right choice for someone looking for predictable earnings or a large income stream. The practical next step is to try a few available tasks, track how much time you spend, and decide whether the rewards make sense for you. If this helped you understand whether KashKick is worth using, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and online earning comparisons.